still a reindeer from last night. We're taking Rosie to get a haircut. Her Christmas haircut. I try to get her a Christmas haircut every year. Are you so cold? Are you nervous? She's just shivering. I don't know why. I had the heat on her, but okay. She loves getting haircuts. She loves anytime we're like near PetSmart. She's like, yay! So I know she loves it. You ready? Yeah. Oh, look at her. She's like, let me out of here. Look at her little toe. So cute.
Sun chips.
Some sun chips, nice. Gotta have a snack. You're not allowed to look at anything. They need to wrap some presents, so we're up here, and I have some Christmas presents I still need to go through.
And look what
Kayli
got.
Oh no, we're not gonna show yet, just in case she sees it.
What if Braylee watches this video?
We're wrapping Braylee and Gage's gifts.
I watched the video when you got my Christmas present.
You did? Which one?
The one that you got my Christmas present.
I can't remember what I got you.
Me either.
All right, buddy, you ready?
Yeah.
Look at this wrapping paper. It's so dang cute. I wrapped those, and now the kids are gonna wrap their gifts in it also.
Wait, so we get to wrap it?
Yeah, I'll just help you. I'm just gonna cut it. I'm gonna do the cutting. Hold on. We need to cut this down a little bit. It's a little long. I'll cut it, and then you can
Wrap it
up. Does that sound good?
Yeah.
See how nice this is that there are lines?
Oh yeah.
So you can keep it like lined up so you know that it's in the center. I'll help you in a second, okay, Layla?
Mom, I just wrapped my present.
Oh, that's all you're doing? Nice. Good. Okay, and I'll hold it in place. Put another little one. Good, really good. Okay, now this is the tricky part, the corners. So what I like to do is fold the sides down first like this, flat, see, like that. You do that? Now fold this one over. Oh, so you gotta get that, keep that flat, good. Nice, bud. Okay, I'll hold it and you tape it. Tape the corners. Are you learning?
Yeah.
Okay, put the tape down there. Really good job.
But what about
It's okay. You can just.
Oh yeah, I could
once
just
the tape
fold
goes
it.
down, you have to commit. Okay, do one more right here on this edge. See right here? Right there?
A piece of tape?
Yep.
Cut.
Right there on that edge.
Wrapping tape.
Nice.
That's good.
Really good. Okay, now we need to get. I don't have any gift tags. I don't think. I was gonna make some.
No, I could just get a piece of paper.
All right, girlfriend. Do you have the tape?
Oh,
There's some right there next to you. Okay, we're gonna put a little piece of tape right there.
You said a little bit.
Not a teeny tiny. You silly goose.
Like that?
Yeah, good. Right there to tape it to the box. Nice. Oh, your fingers are very dirty. Okay.
Yeah, they are. Like, look at them. Rusty.
Okay, oh, let's see your nails. Christmas nails.
I wanted them clear first.
Yeah, but we're gonna do. We'll do
And
them.
glitter.
Okay, a little bigger piece that goes straight across, right across this seam right here.
This
See
is
the
a
seam?
little present for a little someone.
Oh, good. Really good.
A little.
Push that down. Okay, now we're gonna do the corners.
Yeah, I watched.
I'll hold it for you.
this.
Okay. So do the sides first, right here. These sides.
Oh.
Gotta fold them down. You got them both? Fold it down really well. Got it? Okay. Good. Really good. All right, the camera's about to die. Well done, though. Wow. Good morning, everyone. I honestly don't know what part of a vlog this will fit into because the last couple of days have just kind of felt like a blur. We've been cleaning, wrapping presents, getting ready for Christmas, and I don't know what I've vlogged and what I have not vlogged, honestly, but we're just getting things finished up today, which is so exciting, and it feels good to feel like, okay, we have everything about ready. Braylee is making a sign for her boyfriend's parents, so she is hard at work right there, working away. And Layla and I are putting together some reindeer food.
You know how satisfying this is.
How satisfying? Oh, would you eat that?
Yeah.
You would? Do you think reindeer would?
Because it has
Definitely.
bird seed in it.
Yeah, do you think we should add some little oats? Yes, I had some. We didn't add any of these sprinkles. Should we add some of these sprinkles?
Yeah, and these.
I did add some of those, but we could add some more if you want.
Yeah, more. Can I?
Yep, go ahead.
All of them?
Sure, yeah. Because these ones are really cute because they have the little stars and the
Yeah, I'm going to mix
crystals.
it.
Oh, yeah, you mix it up.
I brought these up. My mom didn't ask me to.
You were a good girl. Remember how my office was clean? Yeah, it's fine. Okay, this is the front piece of what we're making for Braylee. We're giving the reindeer food for neighbor gifts, and I was also working on something else for any of our neighbors who don't have little kids. And I was just messing everything up. So I'm trying to think of what I could do. And I think that I figured it out. I'm gonna show you just a second. I'm gonna ask Braylee first. Oh, I'll ask you guys right now. It's right here. It's like, where did I put this? Also working on something for my in-laws. I'm so excited about it. It's turning out so cute.
I popped the white thing like this,
Okay, that's,
Mom.
never mind. Okay,
This
I'm gonna
is
find it and I'm
brand
gonna show
new.
you. Oh, you did? Oh, good, perfect. I was cutting out little circles, and then I thought, I have these little cutting boards. What if I just did some little doodles on those, and then put Merry Christmas on them? So we're gonna try it. See, we'll see how it works.
Guys.
It might not. I mean, so
We
far,
always have to have
everything I'm doing, it's not turning out great. So we'll see. We're taking a break from crafting, which is still happening, to go and pick out a Christmas ornament. Hopefully they still have some. It's been really hard to get everyone together to be able to go and pick out an ornament. Braylee and Gage are meeting us there. We're gonna go. But I was just starting my car and I had Christmas presents in the back. And I knew I hadn't taken the kids anywhere in my car, but I'm pretty sure Casey did, and I can tell someone went through the bags.
I didn't.
No one's fessing up. So what do? Guess what? 1 year Gage went through bags and he found his gift and I didn't give it to him. So
We didn't.
you can't be little sneaky peekers.
Mom, I promise. Yeah. I promise.
They promise, but I don't know.
I was like to smile.
This is really funny. If Layla gets in trouble, she can't stop smiling. She can't help it. So I never know if she's telling the truth or if she's like lying. I don't know. I just don't know. Layla, I think that out of everyone, if they saw the gifts in the back, it would have been you.
No. Yeah.
Oh, I don't know what to do.
Tell her, Mom.
Dang.
Mom, I did.
Also our washer is broken and we just finally got all the parts to hopefully fix it. I've watched so many YouTube videos, but I put some laundry in there that had been in the washer in my car to wash up my mom's. It didn't end up working out and I forgot also about that, and the smell is a little sour and gross. Hopefully we get the washer fixed tonight because I need to take care of that. I don't know how. I'll be watching more YouTube videos on not only how to fix my washer, but also how to make it so my clothes don't smell horrendous. Winston, I think that Rosie just had your SpongeBob toy.
I know. I put it up there.
Oh my goodness, our gate broke also. Like, we have to keep this gate up because Rosie, she's doing so much better, but she poops and pees everywhere, so we have to keep this gate up.
Mom!
Everything's falling apart.
Language.
Listen, do we have coats? Talk a different language. What?
You don't have to say poop and pee.
Oh, poop and pee. What should I say?
Is there
Number 1, number 2?
Is there Christmas party?
Just don't look at anything yet. There are still Christmas presents in the back. No peeking here. They're going back to the store. Don't know what to do now. Okay, you guys ready to put your ornaments on the tree? Layla did end up changing her mind again. So, third time's a charm. And it's a cutie. We also got this. Oh, it's so cute to go at the bottom of the stairs downstairs. because everything is 70% off. My mind is blown.
It's $15.
I can't believe how much stuff was at Hobby Lobby still. So much stuff. And how cheap it is. It's wild.
These are Layla's.
It's just so different.
This
Okay,
is the
so
new
Layla
one.
ended up getting this one this year. That
And
was hers last year. I love that. That was good. That is so cute, sweetheart. And Gage got Bob Ross, which I have mixed feelings about. Whatever, it's fine. Oh my. Really? Really?
Hey guys, don't shake it or else it's gonna fall.
Nobody shake the tree, okay?
Yeah,
Like they're always just shaking the tree. Like,
No.
don't shake the tree today. Did you pick a spot? Oh, here it is. Is that yours from last year?
This is one, mine.
Oh, from this year. Want to put them closer?
Yeah. Do you like it? Because like I got a different one.
Super love it.
This
I think
has
like right here.
This has straight hair, and the one has curly hair. And this is holding a Christmas tree, but that one was holding this.
Cute, Layla.
And look.
Really cute. Winston's. And then we'll have
And then-
Braylee left, and then she'll hang hers. And Gage's. Silly.
Which one are they?
Okay, I need to cut the tags off before I forget. You would die if you saw the things that I have had for years that still have the tags on them. I'm just so bad at taking the tags off. Okay, the scissors are in my room. And then we need to hang, Gage, we need to hang this downstairs. When did I hang this? Got pillows for the beds. Yeah, then we're gonna do, today's countdown was a gingerbread village. And so we need to do this. And Layla got
That's mine.
Max for her bed. Cute.
You know what the other thing is?
I almost forgot. I was like, wait, what did I do? Today was a busy day, but we had a lot of fun. I didn't end up crafting the rest of the day. We went and picked out ornaments. We came home. The two little ones made their little gingerbread houses for the village, and they turned out really cute. I think Gage kind of threw one together quickly before he left, or right when he got home from hanging out with friends. Braylee also left from Hobby Lobby. She just went and hung out with her boyfriend. And after that, I ran Gage to his friend's house, edited the vlog that I got up really super late. Actually, it's actually the next day, and which is a bummer. I was really trying to beat like midnight, but it didn't happen. So I'm just up here trying to put together or finish up some of the little neighbor gifts that I'm making. How adorable. I think I talked about this and didn't finish talking about it, that I was going to do these little cutting boards instead of cutting it out, and I'm really happy I did that because that's really cute. This is acrylic, the Merry Christmas, which I love, and that's my favorite. Braylee always loves like the wood on wood look is what she says, and so I did do some. I don't have the bows on these yet because I painted them, but I also painted these ones. I mean, they're both really cute. I really love them. I only had 5 of these cutting boards, so I thought I had more, and I might need a couple more, but I did get some rectangle ones a while ago. Also, I looked for more of these at Hobby Lobby because they were very inexpensive after their big discounts, but they didn't have any more. So I could do like a Merry Christmas this way or a Merry Christmas this way and do the little doodle design behind it. Also working on more of these little reindeer food. The kids mixed up the feed and got all the little vials filled up. They're so cute. I love these. I'm excited. How cute is that? I love it. So we need to get those taken around tomorrow. Also painting this quickly for Braylee's gift because I think she wants to give it to them tomorrow. So it's actually 2 in the morning. I'm just gonna put one more coat of paint on this so that it can dry, and then hopefully we can get it all put together. But anyway, I'm gonna hurry and paint this quickly, and then I'm gonna go to bed. I really have been trying to get to bed at least before midnight, and I've done a pretty good job. Not today. If you've been watching Vlogmas, thank you. My camera died. I'm not sure what I was talking about, but guess what? Casey and I fixed the washer. The drain pump came. We replaced that. We also replaced the drain hose. We're not sure which one was causing the issue. We figured while we were in there we would just do it, and it's working, so yay. So I fixed the stinky clothes situation. I washed them a couple times. Yeah, they smell great. I used ammonia. I think that my mom was saying that, so I was like, I think that I have actually done that before. I don't know, but they smell really good. So then I just washed them and added fabric softener. They're great. So anyway, we did have to take this whole entire thing apart. For a second we were like, let's throw it away. Let's start over. And now I'm so proud of us. We can fix anything. I fixed the toilet, we fixed the washer, and I replaced the drain pump by myself. I was like, I need, this is my part. I mean, Casey did the drain himself, but anyway, thank you so much for watching today. I'm going to be doing a lot of laundry over the next couple of days, but I will not show you. But I did want to mention that this was fixed. But I mean, pounds and pounds of laundry. I'm just not even gonna stress. As long as we have clean towels and something to wear, I'm not even gonna stress. And this smelly situation is taken care of because we need to get ready for Christmas. So not stressing about this, letting it go. I'm gonna do what I can. All good. Thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.